Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about American poet Robert Lee Frost. Robert Lee Frost was the author of numerous poetry collections and he was one of the most celebrated figures in American poetry. So let's discuss. Question number 1. What is the full name of Robert Frost? Options are Robert Lake Frost, Robert Lee Frost, Robert Lee Frost, Robert Legit Frost. So here correct answer option number B, Robert Lee Frost. When was Frost born? 1874, 1864, 1854, 1884. Correct answer option number A, 1874. Born on 26th of March in San Francisco, California. Next question. Frost belongs to which period? Victorian, modern, contemporary, Renaissance. Correct answer option number B, belong to modern period. Frost was a well-known American modernist poet and he wrote his poems in ways that were new and different. Next question. What style of poetry is Robert Frost known for? Conversational, realistic, rural, all the above. So here correct answer option number D, all the above. Robert Frost's poetry style could be described as conversational, realistic, rural, and introspective. So here correct answer option number D. Next question number 5. Which of the following work is dedicated by Frost to his wife Eleanor? Options are North of Boston, Mountain Interval, A Boy's Will, Birches. Correct answer option number C, A Boy's Will is dedicated by Frost to his wife Eleanor. What is the genre of Frost's work A Boy's Will? Play, drama, poetry collection, novella. Correct answer option number C, it is a collection of poetry. Next question. How many total poems are included in Frost North of Boston? Options 17, 27, 7, 37. So here correct answer option number A, total 17 poems are included in North of Boston, published in 1914. Next question. Frost's poem Mending Wall deals with options tension and distances between men, joy and love between human beings, nuclear war, monarchy and slavery. Here correct answer option number A, tension and distances between men. Bending wall represents two viewpoints of two different persons, one by one speaker and other by his neighbor. Not only does the wall act as a divider in separating the properties, but also act as a barrier to friendship communication. These are some notable works by Robert Frost: A Boy's Will 1913, North of Boston 1914, Mountain Interval 1916, A New Hampshire 1923, A West Running Brook 1928, From Snow to Snow 1936, A Further Range 1936, A Witness Tree 1942. Next these are plays: A Way Out, The Cows in the Corn, one act Irish play in 1929, A Mask of Reason, A Mask of Mercy. These are some notable awards: Burlington Prize 1962, Pulitzer Prize 4 times winner, Congressional Gold Medal 1960. Next question. In which one of the following collection Birches is included? Options are Storm Fair, Mountain Interval, New Hampshire, In the Clearing. Correct answer option number B, Mountain Interval. Mountain Interval is a 1916 poetry collection written by American poet Robert Frost. It is Frost's third poetic volume. Next question. In which one of the following monthly Birches was first appeared? The Spectator, The Guardian, Atlantic, The London Times. So here correct answer option number C, The Atlantic. The original versions of poems published in the August 1915 issued The Atlantic Monthly. Next question. What is the genre of Masque of Reason? Essay, play, novel, poem. Correct answer? Option number B. It is a play. A Masque of Reason. 1945 short comedy play written by Frost. In this play, Frost, like John Milton in Paradise Lost, wants to justify God's ways to men. Next question. When was Frost short play A Masque of Reason written? 1945, 1955, 1950, 1935. Correct answer, option number A, 1945. A Masque of Reason written. Next question. Which one of the following work is called by Frost as my best bid for remembrance? Mending Wall, A Wise Will, After Apple Picking, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. So here correct answer, option number D, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Next question. Frost poem The Stopping by Woods on a Snowing Evening was published under title New Hampshire, West Running Brook, From Snow to Snow, A Further Range. Correct answer, option number E, A New Hampshire. Stopping by Woods on a Snowing Evening is a poem by Frost written in 1922, published in 1923 in a New Hampshire volume. Next question. Which one of the following poem is not part of volume New Hampshire? Nothing Gold Can Stay, Fire and Ice, Stopping by Woods on a Snowing Evening, Birches. So here correct answer, option number D, Birches is not a part of New Hampshire. It is a part of Mountain Interval, published in 1916. Next question. For which one of the following works Robert Frost was honored with Pulitzer Prize for Poetry in 1943? From Snow to Snow, A Further Range, Steeple Bush, A Witness Tree. Correct answer, option number D, A Witness Tree, is a collection of poems by Frost, most of which are short lyric, published in 1942. Awarded the Pulitzer Prize in Poetry in 1943. Next question number 17. Which most popular poem from A Witness Tree was recited at the presidential inauguration of John F. Kennedy in 1961? Options are The Gift Outright, A Question, The Silken Tent, In the Clearing. Correct answer, option number A, The Gift Outright. Next question. Which one of the following poetry collection is also known for Kitty Hawk? The Silken Tent, In the Clearing, A Question, The Gift Outright. So here correct answer, option number B, In the Clearing. In the Clearing is a 1962 poetry collection by Frost. It is also known as Kitty Hawk, the book's longest poem, which muses on the Wright brothers' accomplishment. Next question. Which one of the following is not a poetry collection? Mountain Interval, Birches, Out, Out, A Way Out. Correct answer, option number C, Out, Out. It is not a poetry collection. Next question, number 19. Which one of the following is not a poetry collection? Mountain Interval, Birches, Out, Out, A Way Out. Correct answer, option number D, A Way Out. A Way Out, a one-act play written in 1929 by Frost. Rest three are poems written by him. Next question number 20. Which one of the following is not a play? Options: Out, Out, The Cows in the Corn, A Masque of Reason, A Masque of Mercy. Correct answer, option number A, Out, Out. It is a poem by Robert Frost, published under volume Mountain Interval. Next question. How many times Robert Frost won Pulitzer Prize? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Correct answer, Option number D, 4 times. In 1924, he won the first of 4 Pulitzer Prize for the book New Hampshire, A Poem with Notes and a Grace Notes, second time collected poems in 1931, third time A Further Range in 1937, and fourth time A Witness Tree in 1943. Next question number 22. Which one of the following is first play written by Robert Frost? A Way Out, The Cows in the Corn, A Mask of Reason, A Mask of Mercy. So here correct answer, option number A, A Way Out. Frost A Way Out, it is a one-act play, first appeared in 1917 in Seven Arts magazine and later in a book form as part of an anthology. The present volume is the first separate appearance of the work.